Hi friends, this is Mehul. Welcomes you again to my channel. Today I wanna give a latest update on the active pharma ingredients, but before that you need to subscribe my channel for getting more informations quickly. COVID-19 exposes India's dependence on China for active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs, as India imports around 90% of APIs used to make antibiotics. The novel coronavirus disease has revealed that India's over dependence on China for APIs. APIs means actually that is any substances that is used in finished pharmaceutical products, example tablets and all. Indian pharmaceutical industry meanwhile is the third largest in the world in terms of volume, but still it needs to depend on China. Mr. D.V. Sadanand Gowda, the Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers, on February 2020 in Lok Sabha, had stated that two-thirds of the total imports of drugs come from China. According to Ashok Madan, the Executive Director of Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, that India imports around 90% of APIs to make antibiotics. The fear of not receiving the required number of APIs from China was so high as India stopped Chinese companies to invest in India by revising its FDI policies. Earlier, NSA Ajit Doval had warned in 2014 that Chinese dependence of APIs could be a national security threat. But the interesting fact to be known is in late 1990s, India is the largest exporter of APIs to all over the world. But Indian manufacturers had to face the control pollution and economically competitive and land acquisition bill rules, labor cost, difficulty in installing large number of reactors, and moreover, India had not spent enough amount in research and development department. But on the other side, Chinese industry received huge state support by getting almost no land cost, negligible financial cost, cheap electricity, water and labor, and began to dump penicillin G in India. Chinese firms outperformed Indian manufacturers like Hindustan Antibiotics, Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited, and other companies that were engaged in manufacturing drugs. Indian API firms have been under strict scrutiny of pollution. The Central Pollution Control Board had identified the API sector as one among highly polluting industries in the country. This crisis led to a slowdown of the industry, and India had decided that it is easier to purchase API from China rather than investing in local industry. India needs a technology that requires less pollution and cheap raw materials to compete with the Chinese companies. What do you think about the API's investment in India? And thank you guys for watching the video till the end.